Welcome to Card Crush 365. It is January 7th, 2017, and we're going to do a one-box break of 2016 football contenders. As you can see, we have a fresh case right here from the factory. We're going to go ahead and pull this out a single box. We're about 15 minutes past January 6th, so as everybody knows, the 6th was the release date for this product. I wasn't able to get on until later tonight. I'll go ahead and pull this out, one of the boxes off top. Let me get. So this is what it looks like. 2016 contenders. Of course, we hope to pull Prescott or Elliott or Tyreek Hill maybe. There's 24 packs in each box. 5 cards per pack. At least 5 autographs in each box. Okay, let's see what we get. Okay, first pair, we got a Brandon Cooks, Rashad Jennings season ticket, Trevor Seaman, Brandon Marshall, and Mr. Bowman for the 49ers. All base cards. Second pair. Russell Wilson base, Mike Wallace, Jordy Nelson, Julian Edelman. And our touchdown tandems is Andy Dalton and AJ Green. That is unnumbered. Third pack. We have a Steve Smith Sr. He just retired today. Yesterday they announced it. Sam Bradford. We have the Todd Gurley season ticket, Phillip Rivers. And we have a Rookie of the Year, Kristen Hackenberg. That is unnumbered. Alright, we have Frank Gore, Marvin Jones Jr., Brock Osweiler season ticket, Drew Brees season ticket, and our MVP contenders, Matthew Stafford, the Detroit Lions. If anybody see, no codes on this one. We have Kirk Cousins, Alex Smith, Jay Cutler, Eli Manning, and Matt Forte, all base cards. We have Doug Martin, Matt Stafford, season ticket, Antonio Brown, and we have a Jerome Bettis, legendary contenders, Jerome Bettis, and that is unnumbered. Oh, let's stay in the same row. Ryan Matthews, Demarius Thomas, Kevin Benjamin, Des Bryant, and we have 150 Panini points. 150 points. We'll see if that replaces one of the autos, the points. There should be 5 or 6 autographs. So we have a Doug Baldwin, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Gabbard, Cam Newton, and our first autograph is a Cody Kessler on-card auto of the Cleveland Browns. That's a pretty good hit right there. Not bad for our first auto. Cleveland Browns are loaded in this product. They have more autographs than any other team. And Kessler don't sell too bad right now. Have to put this online later tonight. Cody Kessler, first auto. We have Jeremy Hill, Stephon Diggs, Blake Bortles, DeMarco Murray, and Devontae Parker. I like how they blend in the team colors on these cards in the background. Makes it look pretty cool. We got a tough pack here. There's going to be a good card in this one. Let me fight for it. Alright, we have a McCoy, Fitzgerald, Amari Cooper, Kevin White, MVP contenders, Drew Brees. And that is unnumbered. That is a pretty card, though. Sorry about that. Alright, we have a Matt Jones, Bart Starr, Le'Veon Bell season ticket, Devin Furches, and our second auto, Su'a Craven, Washington Redskins. That is a sticker auto, still a beautiful card. It don't get no better than that Washington Redskins. That's a beautiful card with them colors in the background. That is our second auto. Definitely not a bad start to this case. And yes, I'm going to be opening the whole case. I'll probably do it a box at a time. Not sure how many of the videos I'm going to load up here, but I'll definitely do a recap of everything at the end. This is the last pack of our first half. DeAndre Hopkins, Lamar Miller, Mark Ingram, Odell Beckham Jr. And we have a legendary Contenders. Warren Moon, one of my favorite players of all times. And that is unnumbered. Okay. We have Jamar Charles, Andrew Luck, Tom Brady himself, Robert Quinn, and look at that, Rookie of the Year, Dak Prescott. Not sure how much these are going to be selling for online. I know the optic rated rookies were selling pretty good. Let's see what we can get for that on eBay. If you want to check out any of my cards on eBay, my eBay name is Classic Collectibles 757. We have a good collection of cards up there. Okay, ready for the second half. We have a J.J. Watts, Jameis Winston, Jason Witten, Rob Gronkowski, and a Terrell Pryor season ticket. All base cards in that one. Hopefully I can get most of the complete set with this case here. Zach Ertz, C.J. Anderson, Julio Jones, Marcus Mariota. Oh, we have a Joey Bosa, Rookie of the Year. That's a nice card there. And our digital card is Robert Kelly. Pretty good card. You get one digital card in every box with this stuff. So comes with the code underneath it to redeem it. And they actually don't sell too bad on eBay with the digital codes there. We have Earl Thomas, Jarvis Landry, David Johnson, Derek Carr. And our round numbers, Contenders, is Martis Berzinger and Kobe Listener. And that is unnumbered for the Minnesota Vikings and the Buffalo Bills. We have Andy Dalton, Adrian Peterson, T.Y. Hilton, Alshon Jeffrey, and Ben Roethlisberger. All base cards in that one. I just don't think I've seen too many doubles for the base cards. That's pretty good with this. She had a bunch of autographs coming in these last few packs. We have a Tyrod Taylor, Jonathan Stewart, Tony Romo, Tavion Austin, and our third auto is Johnny Holton of the Raiders championship ticket. That is numbered 11 out of 99. Championship ticket for the Raiders. So this would definitely be going on my eBay if anybody's interested in this card. Again, that is Classic Collectibles 757. Not a bad start for the autos here. So there should be at least two more autos. We have Travis Benjamin, Aaron Rodgers, Melvin Gordon, Golden Tate. And our round numbers is Connor Cook and Dak Prescott. And that is numbered 78 of 199. See if I can get that to focus on the numbers for you. There you go, 78 of 199. Connor Cook does good. You know, he's starting this week, first game in the playoffs. So if he does good, this card may sell pretty well on eBay. We don't got to worry about Mr. Prescott doing good this week. They have a first round bye. Mike Evans, Jordan Matthews, Mike Wallace, Jordy Nelson, and Julian Edelman. These cards are beautiful. Look how they blend the team colors there in the background. I always love Contenders, and they're really good this year. Definitely can't complain so far with this first box. Get one more real good auto. Von Miller himself, Richard Sherman, Todd Gurley, Phillip Rivers, and a Rookie of the Year. He's been a really good wide receiver for Tom Brady this year, and it's numbered 73 of 99. Malcolm Mitchell, Rookie of the Year. That is a beautiful card. A.J. Green, Marvin Jones Jr., Brock Osweiler, Drew Brees. That's a good round numbers there. Number 1 and 2 in the draft. Jared Goff and Carson Wentz. Beautiful card there. Alright, both of these packs right here should have an auto in it. Unless this was only one of the 5 auto boxes and the rewards took one of those. Oh shit, would have been more than 150. But what can you do? Matt Ryan, T.J. Yeldon, Sammy Watkins, Eli Manning, and Matt Forte. And yes, it does look like the points took one of our autos. So we should have an auto in this last pot. We have Jordan Reed himself, Carlos Hyde, Joe Flacco, D-Lane Walker, and Austin Hooper is our fourth autograph. Sticker auto of Austin Hooper for the Atlanta Falcons. Go ahead and get these cards protected, and I'll do a recap.
Quarterback Joe Flacco tore his ACL in Week 11 of the 2015 season. They're in training camp, OTA's been rehabbing again. So they started quarterback and they started wide receiver. We get to push each other. I hate to say it this way, but these are those companies. The bond between receiver and quarterback has always been important to Steve Smith's career. A trend that started with Dick Dillon.
We'll just do the numbered ones.
Those two were so fun to be around because they both cared so much about winning. They were such passionate players. You'd see them in the huddle sometimes yelling at each other, full on yelling, but it never felt like it disrupted the dynamic because that was their relationship. The best seasons of Smith's career came with Dillon. We expected so much out of each other. We just thrived and we worked out. So when it became time for a game, he knew I was going to go to him. And I knew going first that he was going to have my back no matter what.
Okay, we'll do a recap here. There's all the base cards right here. And our touchdown tandems, Andy Dalton, AJ Green, Rookie of the Year, Joey Bosa, Christian Hackenberg, Brown numbers, Jared Goff, Carson Wentz, Bozinger, Lessenby, and our legendary contenders are Warren Moon, MVP of the New Orleans Saints, Drew Brees, legendary contenders, Jerome Bettis, MVP contenders, Stafford, Rookie of the Year, Dak Prescott, Rookie of the Year, Malcolm Mitchell, number to 99, round numbers, Cook and Prescott, number to 199, and our autographs are Austin Hooper, Johnny Holton, Sewell Cravens for the Washington Redskins, Coley Kessler for the Browns, and we have the 150 reward points. That is our first box break for 2016 football contenders at Car Crush 365, your home for box breaks and poker discussions. We crush on all cards 365 days a year. Check out some videos. I'll be posting some more shortly. I'll put a couple more boxes out of this case up there. And that's it for the break. Thank you.